guys, what is up? Joe here, back at it again with another tech review video. And in today's episode, I'm gonna introduce to you Fujifilm's latest Instax camera, the Instax Mini LiPlay. Now, this is a hybrid camera, meaning it is both analog and digital. So in this video, I'm gonna do the unboxing of this product, and I'm gonna give you guys the full review, specs, and features of what this camera is capable of. So let's go and start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you have a compartment that shows a basic hand strap, a USB charging cable, manuals and warranty cards, and the camera unit wrapped around in bubble wrap. So that summarizes the unboxing part. The Mini LiPlay is the smallest hybrid camera in the Instax lineup. You can see how slim and compact the Mini LiPlay compared to the older Instax Mini 8. In front of the camera, you have the selfie mirror, the camera lens, the LED flash, the shutter button, and the sound recording button. On the side of the camera is where the sounds come out, the camera's built-in microphone, the power button, and 3 buttons that you can customize your favorite filters and frames. I'll get to that later in the video. On the bottom of the camera is the charging port, and the other side of the camera is where you can install the hand strap. On top of the camera is where the film comes out when you print a photo. At the back of the camera, you have 4 buttons: the menu OK button, return button, playback button, and the print button. You have a nice LCD screen, a slot to put an SD card, and the slider that opens the Instax camera to put the film cartridge. What I like about the Instax cameras, they have a variety of designs to choose from. To install the film cartridge, make sure to align the yellow guide of the camera to the yellow guide of the film cartridge. Close the compartment, and the camera removes a black strip of the cartridge, and you are ready to shoot. Okay, now that we're done doing the unboxing and reviewing the product itself, I'll teach you guys how to use your LiPlay app and connect it to your camera. Okay, first things first is to open the application and make sure that your Bluetooth settings are on. So now your application is connected to your Instax camera. So you can close that. Okay, so here you have the direct print that you can select a photo within your phone and have it printed out. So let me pick this nice looking and delectable food. I can adjust it, maybe make it landscape or maybe portrait. Depends on how you want to compose your shot. Let me just select that and print. Alright, so now the Instax is currently printing. So let me get that photo. Okay, now you can see my food shot of the restaurant that I just ate a few days back. The next section is where you can assign 3 shortcuts for your filters and frames. So you just need to select shortcut 1, 2, or 3 and just simply pick a frame or a design and just click set. Alright, so you have 1 shortcut that is assigned to shortcut 1. Another feature of the LiPlay app is you can go live view mode. So you can just press it. No, now you can see my room. And you can see me. It's like I'm vlogging using the Instax camera, but no, it doesn't have video features. But at least I can help you compose your shot if you prefer it this way. Alright, so let me teach you how to put sounds into your photos by adding a QR code. Okay, so let me just take a picture of myself, for example. Okay, once you pick your photo that you want to put a QR code, just press the front button right here with the microphone. Long press it. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a testing photo for the Instax Mini Play. Please subscribe to Joe Serrano.
Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a testing photo for the Instax Mini Play. Please subscribe to Joe Serrano.
Okay, I can print that. Just go to the top option and print sound. Alright, so that photo is currently developing. Okay, so going back to the app, which is the last section, is where the sound is currently at. To hear the sound, you have to go to the sound section. Make sure that your internet is currently on. And just press upload. Okay, so now that sound is uploaded to your QR code. Okay, so if you want to hear your sound, just scan the QR code of your photo. So my phone is currently detecting the QR code. Okay, now I just press the sound icon.
Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a testing photo for the Instax Mini Play. Please subscribe to Joe Serrano.
So that's how you use the Instax Mini LiPlay app. Alright guys, this ends my tech review video for the Instax Mini LiPlay. If you want to get your hands on this unit, it's available nationwide with an SRP of 9,999 pesos. I really like that this is a hybrid camera so that you can take a lot of shots with it before printing that type of photo that you really like to give to your friend. And I really like that you can install a QR code and upload the sound to make your photos much more special and memorable. Alright guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. If you want to be updated in my next tech review video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram account, and like my Facebook page. This is Joe Serrano signing out, and I will see you in my next tech review. See you guys!